Quality control, QC, interviews are designed to evaluate how well candidates can ensure that products, services, or processes meet required standards. Employers want to know if you have the technical expertise, problem-solving ability, and attention to detail needed to maintain consistency and reliability in production. They are also interested in how you manage real-world challenges such as defects, compliance issues, and tight deadlines. Preparing for a quality control interview involves more than memorizing technical terms. You need to reflect on your past experiences, understand industry standards, and be able to clearly explain how you've contributed to improving processes or preventing errors. A strong candidate is someone who not only knows inspection techniques and tools but also demonstrates teamwork, communication, and the ability to uphold quality under pressure. In this video, we'll explore common quality control interview questions with sample answers and tips to help you succeed. Question 1. Can you tell us about your background in quality control? Answer. I have over 3 years of experience working in quality control within a manufacturing environment. My responsibilities included conducting inspections, monitoring production lines, and ensuring compliance with ISO standards. I also collaborated with production teams to identify and correct defects, which helped reduce error rates by 15%. My background has given me strong technical knowledge along with practical problem-solving skills. Tip: provide a short, structured overview of your experience while highlighting measurable achievements. Question 2. Why do you want to work in quality control? Answer. I enjoy working in environments where precision and consistency are critical. Quality control allows me to combine analytical thinking with attention to detail, ensuring products meet customer expectations. I take pride in preventing defects and maintaining high standards because it directly contributes to customer satisfaction and the reputation of the company. Tip: show passion for the field and link your motivation to company success. Question 3. How do you ensure products meet quality standards? Answer. I follow a structured process that includes reviewing specifications, conducting inspections using calibrated tools, and documenting results. If an issue arises, I immediately communicate with the production team and suggest corrective actions. I also perform random sampling to ensure consistency across batches. This systematic approach minimizes errors and helps maintain compliance. Tip: demonstrate your methodical approach and awareness of both prevention and correction. Question 4. How do you handle defects or non-conforming products? Answer. When I identify a defect, I isolate the product to prevent it from moving forward. I then document the issue, analyze the root cause, and work with the team to implement corrective actions. For example, in my previous role, I discovered recurring defects caused by a machine calibration issue. After recalibration and additional checks, the problem was resolved. Tip: use real examples to show problem solving and collaboration. Question 5. What tools or software do you use for quality control? Answer. I am familiar with tools like calipers, micrometers, and CMM machines for physical inspections. On the software side, I've used Minitab and Excel for statistical process control, data analysis, and reporting. Using these tools allows me to identify trends and suggest improvements backed by data. Tip: mention both hands-on tools and digital software relevant to QC roles. Question 6. Can you explain the difference between quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC? Answer. Quality assurance is proactive and focuses on developing processes to prevent defects. It's about building quality into the system. Quality control, on the other hand, is reactive and ensures products meet standards by inspecting and testing them after production. Both are important, but my role in QC emphasizes detecting and correcting errors in final output. Tip: keep your explanation simple and practical. Question 7. Tell me about a time you helped improve a process. Answer. In my previous role, I noticed repeated delays in inspections due to manual data entry. I suggested implementing a digital form system that automatically recorded results and flagged issues. This reduced paperwork and cut inspection time by 20%. It also improved accuracy by minimizing human error. Tip: share an achievement that shows initiative and impact. Question 8. How do you handle pressure when there are tight deadlines? Answer: I handle pressure by staying organized and prioritizing tasks. For example, during a high-volume production period, I created a schedule that allocated time for both urgent inspections and routine checks. By staying focused and communicating with the team, we met deadlines without compromising on quality. Tip: employers want to see resilience and the ability to balance speed with accuracy. Question 9. How do you ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations? Answer: I stay updated on industry regulations such as ISO 9001 by attending training and reviewing documentation regularly. In my previous role, I conducted internal audits to ensure compliance and worked closely with external auditors during inspections. By keeping accurate records and promoting awareness among staff, compliance was consistently maintained. Tip: emphasize knowledge of standards and proactive compliance efforts. Question 10. How do you communicate quality issues to your team? Answer: I believe in clear, concise, and timely communication. If I notice a defect, I document it and immediately notify the relevant supervisor. I also explain the potential impact to ensure urgency is understood. In one case, I organized a short training session for operators to prevent repeat errors, which improved overall efficiency. Tip: show that you communicate constructively, not just point out problems. Question 11. What role does data play in quality control? Answer: data is essential in identifying trends, spotting recurring issues, and making informed decisions. For example, I used control charts to monitor defect rates over time, which helped us detect small deviations before they became major problems. Data-driven insights allow continuous improvement in processes. Tip: highlight your ability to use data as a decision-making tool. Question 12. How do you stay motivated in repetitive tasks? Answer: I stay motivated by remembering that every inspection plays a key role in ensuring customer satisfaction and safety. I also set small personal goals, such as improving my speed without compromising accuracy. The bigger picture, delivering reliable products, keeps me focused even during routine checks. Tip: show commitment and professionalism even in repetitive work. Question 13. Describe a conflict you faced in quality control and how you resolved it. Answer: once, I had a disagreement with a production supervisor who felt inspections were slowing down output. I calmly explained that skipping checks could lead to costly recalls. I also proposed a compromise, streamlining the inspection process without reducing thoroughness. This solution maintained quality while easing production concerns. Tip: demonstrate diplomacy, teamwork, and problem-solving. Question 14. Why should we hire you for this quality control role? Answer: you should hire me because I bring a combination of technical expertise, attention to detail, and a proactive approach to problem-solving. My track record includes reducing defect rates, improving inspection efficiency, and ensuring compliance with standards. I'm dedicated to contributing to both product excellence and customer satisfaction. Tip: end confidently, linking your skills to company goals. Closing thoughts. Quality control interviews test both technical knowledge and interpersonal skills. Employers want someone who can spot errors quickly, communicate effectively, and maintain high standards under pressure. The strongest candidates prepare with examples that show their ability to improve processes, handle challenges, and collaborate across teams. By reflecting on your past experiences, demonstrating your problem-solving abilities, and emphasizing your commitment to quality, you can present yourself as a reliable and detail-oriented professional. With the right preparation, you'll be ready to impress interviewers and step confidently into your next quality control role. Similarly, using same format, can you write little more than 999 words article on title, residency interview questions, with answers and AMP tips?